22 says suppose M is between L and N. So I'm going to draw a picture. I have L here, and here is N. So it says M is between or in the middle. There it is. Use the segment addition postulate. So it's giving you a hint. Use the segment addition postulate to solve for the variable. So it's giving you some steps, right? Use segment addition postulate, solve for the variable, and then it says find the lengths. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use segment addition postulate here. Class, what is the largest segment I have here? So Ln is equal to what?
143.
Give me the parts first. Lm plus Mn. Now I need you to know this part right here because eventually in chapter 2 we're going to do 2-column proofs, and it's actually what I'm doing right now. So I'm trying to expose it to you early so you can see it. Okay. Now the given information tells us this. Lm is equal to 7y plus 9, and it tells me Mn is equal to 3y plus 4, and this whole length here is 143. Okay? So class, if I put the numbers in here, what is that called? So we're going to do a substitution. What do I put here? What am I going to put here, class? 143 for Ln equals, what goes in here? 7y plus 9. There's a plus sign, and Mn, 3y plus 4. Okay, there it is. So we just did a substitution there. What's next? Yeah, we're going to combine like terms. Which ones are like terms? 7y and 3y. So that becomes 10y. And the other ones? 9 plus 4? 13. Alright, so we combine like terms. Now I need to solve for the variable y. How do I do that? So I'm just going to write this word subtract or subtraction, property of equality. That's a fancy word we'll be using in chapter 2, section 1. So what am I going to subtract, class? 13 from both sides. They're both constants. What am I left with? 130 equals 10y. What math operation? So we just call that division what? Property of equality. So I divide both sides by 10. Y is equal to 13. Now, they asked me to find each length. So I need to find Lm. I need to find Mn and Ln. So I've solved for my variable. Okay, and now I just need to do what? We need to what? Substitution. Okay? I plug in my air fresheners, guys. We substitute numbers in math. So I'm going to put 7. What math operation is here? Times. So 7 times what? 13 plus 9. 7 times 13 is 91 plus 9? 100. Let's go ahead and do Mn. So Mn is 3y plus 4. So I have 3 times 13 plus 4. 3 times 13 plus 4. How much? 43. right? And we already know that. Here's the reason why, is because it tells us in the hints or the given information ln is equal to 143. So you can add those, okay? And these are our solutions. Notice I box my answers.